Hey guys, what's up? Z-Border for Airsoft, and today we're gonna do a pretty special episode. It's what you guys did when you first got into airsofting. Back when you had those Crossman pistols and shotguns, when you would just go outside with your friends and shoot cans. Well, that's what I have for you today, people. Shooting, shaking up, soda cans. I got the cheapest ones I could buy. They're like my essentials brand, so plus they're small. But yeah, I'll set these up, shake them all up, and we're gonna go shoot them. Good. And for the grand finale, thank you for watching. This is Z-Border for Airsoft. See ya.